How to crop the image in cam scanner. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can crop image in cam scanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the cam scanner application, and after that you can see the import image option. So you have to tap right here on import image, and after that you will get access to your gallery. And now you have to select one of the picture, and now you have to tap right here on the import option, and after that you can see I will get access to this picture. So let me select this part of the picture, and I have to tap right here on the next. So you can see that this image is cropped. Now if I want to crop this image again, I have to tap right here. I have to go back, and now you can see I can crop this image and I can select my desired part from there. And you can see, now tap right here on the next option and you will see that the other part of this picture will be gone. So this is how you can easily crop your image in cam scanner application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.